morning, and welcome to Travel with Rick and D on another day adventure. Today, we are headed to Laughlin. So in about an hour's time, hour and 15 minutes, we'll be bringing you in to Laughlin, Nevada. See you then. Well, welcome back, people. This is Rick. My wife Dee is sitting right beside me, and Laughlin is right in front of us, right along with the Colorado River. We're coming down 163 East, which was off of 95 South. Trip took us about a little bit more than 50 minutes, but we're still not there yet. So it's about an hour from Boulder City, Nevada. And on that note, I will talk to you once we get down and enter into Laughlin. Laughlin was established in 1940, and in 1964, Don Laughlin purchased the property that the now Don Laughlin's Riverside Resort is. The town is also named after him. His casino was finished in 1966, Riverside Hotel Casino. This is Rick with Travel with Rick and D, and we are here at Laughlin, Nevada. We'll take you through, show you what's going on here, and then there's a couple of RV parks we're going to come into and try to get some information for you. So if you want to come down and stay in Laughlin, you'll have websites and phone numbers and figures to work off of. Riverside RV Park. So here we are at Harrahs in Laughlin, the last resort on the way out of Laughlin. Is a Colorado Bell, and the last thing that I heard is that that is up for sale. Here we are at the Aquarius, which used to be the Hilton. Things change hands and change names and money exchanges, and life goes on. Taking a left up here, and we're gonna try to get into one of these RV areas and get you some information. We'll be turning into Riverside RV Park once we get the green light. Park, and let's go in and see if we can get some information on rates. Well, we just went into the office and I get this map. There's 531 spots here. Ranges from pull-throughs up in the hill where we just came from down to regular camping spots. I do have the prices, which are right here. Their summer hours are 8 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. And these are all your rates. There is no discounts in the summer because it's already at a discounted rate. So what you're looking at right here, site type 30 amp, wood tax $27.63. That's a back end. 50 amp back end with tax is $34.26, and a pull through with tax is $36.47, and that is a day. Then your weekly rates are over here in the blue, and what you're going to pay per night during the holiday seasons. Anyways, as you can see right now, like we said, there really isn't a lot of shade here, and there are no pools. So you have the river, that's your pool. On that note, there's one more place here called Casino RV Park, and it's up the way a little bit. We're gonna go there and check that out. This is Rick with Travel with RickandD. And there's the Casino RV Park sign, which we thought there was a second RV park, but obviously there's not. It is the Riverside RV Park, across from Riverside Hotel. Laughlin is a big dust bowl. It gets to be 120 plus here in the summer. But you do have the river, which is 4/10 of a mile from this RV spot. Bottom line is if you'd like to stay closer to the water, Bullhead City is right across the bridge, and there are RV parks there. We're going to take you down to the river right now. This is the Colorado River. This is the Colorado River, folks. We are on a dock looking at the river itself. Beautiful color water. Nice light green that goes out to a dark blue. And as you can see at the jetty there, how much the water is running down river. Pretty strong current. This is Rick again, and the reason why you see so many jet skis is because all the rentals are out here. They're $99 an hour for you to rent one of these jet skis and come out here and play on the river. There's a couple of houseboats that we've seen go by and a couple of V-drives, but besides that, for the most part, it's a lot of skis. Water skis. Well, folks, this concludes our information about Laughlin, Nevada. It's a small city. There's really not a lot to see here, except a bunch of little bugs, which are flying on me, but I got that covered. I hope what you found and what we bring you helps you with rates in the RV park and this lovely river. You've got two dams. The furthest one up is Hoover Dam, which is roughly 60-minute ride from here. The flow of water that comes down here is controlled by those dams. But as you can see, things are running really well and swift today. But on that note, I'd like for you to subscribe to the channel. If there's anything we can do or answer for you, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. And we'll see you on the road.
Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy them. We upload new videos every week.
So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel with Rick and D. Until next time, see you on the road.